So today's unboxing video will be on this in-wall TV power kit. If you kind of mounted your TV on a TV wall mount, you might have these ugly cables hanging down and you want it to go this way. And if you don't want to run all new wire in your wall or jump from a plug-in up, sometimes you mount your TV not directly under the plug-in, and you got to go up and run cable, and that cable is not the cheapest. Sometimes it's cheaper to buy these little kits here, and they are safety weighted for everything to go behind the wall. That way you ain't got extension cords, which is not safety, just so you know. It's always best to follow code in your area and all that good stuff. So what you get in the kit, this is brand new kit, is everything you need supposedly. This is a tension knot intended for use in fire-weighted walls installations. Tension none. Well, I can't read that. Anyhow, you got the 15 amp max right here, and you got this right here. This can be changed. You actually can change this to a different style if you don't want to feed your cables through the walls. You can actually probably put an internet cable or a double one here. Forget what those is called, but yeah, what is them called? But you know what I'm saying. If you into this, well, you might not, but you got little this thing, 2 screws, this pops out, and you got the little squares here. You can put an internet cable or 2 HDMI's or have you see fit in this area here. And for a cleaner look, looks like on the back we done have a cable installed, which is a good thing. You don't have to install your cable, looks like, except down at the bottom. Oh, you don't even at the bottom. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's user friendly. Well, this goes into your wall here. It says just normal. You cut your drywall and then you tighten the screw up and it pancakes against your drywall. Very easy to install. This is the bottom jumper cable, what I would call it. You plug it in and run it to a pre-existing plug-in to get power, or a power strip. That's going in my studio, so it'll be hooked up to a power strip. Got a wall outlet. Now you can buy these in different colors. This is white, so you probably could pick this up into black or order it online or paint it yourself. This outlet here might be a little bit harder to find if you want to change it. I'm okay with white, especially when you can't see it. And this is a thing you feed your cables through. Should be for the bottom. Right here. Goes through here. And your cables can feed up through here from your electronics. Which I won't be using that part. Basically, what I'll be using is installing my HDMI's separately, most likely. Well, I might use it for now. In the box, we get instructions. Shows you how simple it is to just do it yourself, which is always good. So that's what comes in this kit. If it's unboxing, if this unboxing video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. That's the part number. As you can see, it's pretty user friendly. We ain't got a lot going on. Should be simple install. Probably can do it in probably 20 minutes. Under 30 minutes you should be able to install this. So as always, thank you for watching this video. Show your support for my channel with smashing that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.